Okay. In order to sail into the wind, we're going to need a boat to sail into the wind with. Here's one that is currently now in the construction to do that. As you can see, I've been working on it a while, and it's not finished, but it's getting there. 8 by 24 feet long, and it's going to have some unique properties. It's going to have a very low profile in the water, and it's going to have a sail. Here's the sail. The sail is, you're looking at it now. It doesn't have the sail on it. This is the mast. That's the sail. Booms. And the drive mechanism. Also, on the drive mechanism there, you see a couple of power drive outputs. They'll be driving paddle wheels. Now here are the 2 paddle wheels that are in construction now. There are 2 of them. I'm working on them diligently, coating them with fiberglass. So, now back to over here. Let's go into the sail. It only gets its power from the sail when the sails are placed on and turned. As you can see down here, bottom rotates. So with the sail turning up here, see the drive mechanism, they turn the paddle wheels. And the paddle wheels will be mounted on the back of the boat. And when the wind changes also, the sail moves. So when the wind changes, the sail changes around to different aspects. So no matter which way the wind blows from, the paddle wheel will be driven by the wind automatically. Okay, now to go back to the boat and get more of a, as I said, it's going to draw about 1 inch of water, about 4 inches, so it's going to be kind of like a nice big old flat dancing floor. Good sized boat here that we're building. And back here, we'll zoom up on some of the areas back. We can get here so we can see. This is the area back here. This is the aft of the boat, and here's where the sail will be mounted. Now, if you can see, there are studs and things located. So, now, again, there's the sail. Be mounted on the aft end. Again, here are the 2 paddle wheels. So, the next couple of weeks next week I'll give you an update again with the sails. The sails are being fabricated right now. We'll check them, get a nice breeze, we'll put them on there. I've checked it out once already with a plastic sail. Now I'm getting some nice, and then over here is where we're going to store, after we get it made, store the nice little slip here for its home. That's going to be its future home. And then in the future, I'll just come up, walk down. Well, actually, I'm planning on making coming down here is the steps. I'm going to continue a 4-foot wide step right down to the boat here. So it'll be really nice here. This is the area here. The water's just water, I guess. And over here. Okay, our overview. 8 sails. And, well, I did point out this part here, too. I'll zoom in on it. On this part, we have a DC motor, which acts as a motor or a generator. And actually, it's going to be turning, going through in here, and there's the wire going down. It's going to be charging batteries because I want to back up when I get out on the water. In case the wind dies, I'm going to carry some trolling motors and batteries. And this will always make sure my batteries are charged. I can run my radio or whatever with it. So, just down to really keep you up to date. I'll be